Hello everyone, welcome to the series in Famous Heroines in the Plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss Desdemona from the play Othello. Introduction. Desdemona, one of the central figures in William Shakespeare's tragedy Othello, is a character of great complexity and depth. As the wife of Othello, the Moorish general of the Venetian army, she embodies innocence, loyalty and love. However, her character is also marked by strength, assertiveness and an independent spirit. Desdemona's tragic end underscores the themes of jealousy, race, and the destructive power of false accusations. This video delves into the intricate layers of Desdemona's character, examining her strengths, vulnerabilities, relationships, and ultimate fate. Innocence and virtue. Desdemona is often portrayed as the epitome of innocence and virtue. Her purity and goodness are evident in her interactions with others and her unwavering love for Othello. She defies societal expectations by marrying Othello, a man of a different race, out of genuine love rather than convenience or duty. This act alone highlights her independent spirit and willingness to challenge societal norms. Desdemona's innocence is further emphasized in her dialogue, where she frequently expresses her honest and sincere feelings. For example, in Act 1, Scene 3, she speaks candidly about her love for Othello. "That I did love the Moor to live with him, my downright violence and storm of fortunes, my trumpet to the world." Loyalty and devotion. Desdemona's loyalty to Othello is unwavering, even in the face of mounting suspicion and hostility. She stands by him, confident in her love and their bond. This loyalty is evident when she accompanies Othello to Cyprus, leaving behind the comfort and safety of her home. Throughout the play, Desdemona consistently tries to mediate and soothe Othello's growing anxieties, always striving to understand and support him. Her devotion is poignantly depicted in Act 4, Scene 3, when she sings the Willow Song, a ballad about forsaken love, foreshadowing her own tragic fate. Her words, "Sing willow, willow, willow. If I court more women, you will couch with more men," reveal her sorrow and foreboding, yet she remains steadfastly loyal. Strength and assertiveness. Despite her inherent innocence, Desdemona is not a passive character. She displays considerable strength and assertiveness, particularly in her advocacy for Cassio. After Cassio is dismissed from his position, Desdemona passionately pleads with Othello to reinstate him, demonstrating her belief in justice and her willingness to speak out for what she believes is right. In Act 3, Scene 3, she argues, "For thy solicitor shall rather die than give thy cause away." Her assertiveness, however, is also her undoing, as Iago manipulates her earnest pleas to incite Othello's jealousy. Vulnerability and tragic end. Desdemona's vulnerability lies in her trusting nature and her inability to perceive the malevolence around her. She is tragically unaware of Iago's manipulations and Othello's growing suspicion. Her innocence blinds her to the danger she is in, and her attempts to reconcile with Othello only exacerbate her jealousy. In Act 4, Scene 2, Othello accuses her of infidelity, and despite her heartfelt denials, "I never did offend you in my life, never loved Cassio, but with such general warranty of heaven as I might love, I never gave him token." She cannot convince him of her fidelity. Her tragic end comes as she is suffocated by Othello in a misguided act of justice. Even in her final moments, Desdemona remains loyal, absolving Othello of blame by claiming, "Nobody, I myself, farewell. Commend me to my kind lord, oh, farewell." Act 5, Scene 2. Relationships. Desdemona's relationships with other characters highlight different aspects of her personality. Her bond with Othello is central to the play, showcasing her deep love and commitment. Her friendship with Emilia, Iago's wife, also reveals her compassionate and supportive nature. Emilia's loyalty to Desdemona, despite her husband's treachery, underscores the strength of their bond. Furthermore, Desdemona's interactions with her father, Brabantio, illustrate her courage and determination to follow her heart even against parental opposition. Themes and symbolism. Desdemona's character is integral to the exploration of several themes in Othello. Her interracial marriage with Othello challenges contemporary societal norms and highlights issues of race and discrimination. Her tragic fate underscores the destructive power of jealousy and the devastating effects of false accusations. Additionally, Desdemona's purity and innocence are symbolically contrasted with the corruption and deceit around her, particularly embodied by Iago. Conclusion. Desdemona is a character of remarkable complexity in Shakespeare's Othello. Her innocence, loyalty, and love are matched by her strength, assertiveness, and independent spirit. Yet, her trusting nature and inability to recognize the malice around her lead to her tragic demise. Through Desdemona, Shakespeare poignantly explores themes of love, jealousy, race, and the catastrophic consequences of manipulation and mistrust. Her character remains a powerful and enduring figure, embodying both the virtues and vulnerabilities of human spirit. So this was the discussion on the character of Desdemona from Shakespeare's play Othello. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other play. Until then, goodbye and thank you.